Immediately after your first payroll run, QuickBooks reminds you to set up your taxes to be prepared for when they're due. Click Set Up Taxes Now. Then click Continue to Tax Setup. QuickBooks reviews the business details that you've entered previous to this. It asks you if you know your CRA payroll account number. Enter it now if you have it. Then it asks you how often does the CRA require you to remit payroll deductions. Click the down arrow and select the option provided to you by the CRA. After completing this form, click Continue. Here from the Payroll Tax Center, QuickBooks has one key option, and that's the Pay Taxes button. Click Pay Taxes, and here we can click Record Payment. Click OK. Now you can review the federal taxes. You can enter the payment date, enter it here, and then click Record and Print, or click Record Payment, and QuickBooks will record the payment for you. And that completes the payment of taxes. Please keep in mind that you have to actually go to the bank or pay the taxes at your local CRA office or online to complete the actual payment. This simply records the payment in QuickBooks.